I came here for a Twix, or perhaps a Milky Way, to satisfy my fix. But now I've been delayed, for it just crossed my mind that it may be quite mean to leave the last of your kind alone in the vending machine. My gaze, it lingers beneath the butterfingers at what could just be the candy of my dreams. Oh, Henry Barr, here I am, and there you are, both so all alone, both abandoned on our own, both living with mistakes for which we can't atone. I know you're a confection, but I feel a connection. Oh, won't you fill my void, oh, Henry Barr. I could end your loneliness by giving you a Hershey kiss. But suddenly what occurs to me is this: I have no idea what to know Henry Barr.